Hi, Brandon Artisan, president of Champion Strategies, and we're going to continue where we left off in our last public speaking workshop, talking about tips for making public speaking easier for you. The next one we wanted to deal with is conquering your fear. I know easier said than done, but understand how your nerves affect your ability to speak publicly. It's a good start. Knowing what might happen will help calm your nerves and carry you to a good start of your speech. Firstly, the most prepared you are, the better you will sound, the less nervous you will be. Do not drink any caffeine beforehand because it will heighten your anxiety. And if you can't really control it, it will probably throw you off. Remember that the audience is not there to see you, they're much more interested in what you have to say. They also have no interest in you failing. They are your friends, not your enemies. But remember, you're the speaker. And a service that you're giving to the attendees to help them with their everyday lives. So don't tell the audience that you're nervous. Nearly everyone suffers from some anxiety about public speaking. And if necessary, use some breathing and relaxing techniques before you start to judder away. Another thing, throw away your notes. Although you should have written some notes all about the points of what you're going to do, if you have some PowerPoint slides or some handouts or something that's going to keep you in track. But we don't need a whole bookmark of notes. Using notes has two key harmful effects on your speaking or pace of your talking. First, notes make it appear like you aren't an expert on the topic. That reduces your credibility. And second, they become something to hide behind to help contain your nerves if you're looking down at notes all the time. Now we're losing sight of the audience, and we may be losing sight of someone's eye to eye contact that's trying to comprehend what you just said. Additionally, if you're reading directly from notes, then your tone of voice will also be flat when it comes across out to the audience or your team members or the students that you're teaching. Add some style, some flavor. Keep the words on each slide that you do use, if you do use video, keep them down to a minimum. Only include images of a slide that are really relevant. If you don't have nothing relevant, you really don't need any slides for background or anything. Key thing, try to enjoy yourself, or at least look like it. If you look bored, then the audience will think you're bored. If you think you're nervous and you get too stressed out, the audience will know that. Add a little humor. It's real people that you're engaging and speaking with, and they know what you're going through. And learn from your mistakes. Every time you give a presentation, it's an opportunity to get better because we're going to learn some things will happen, and this will enable you for the challenges of the future when it comes to public speaking. Public speaking is a part of life for folks who want to be in front of the room. So, all of you teachers, all of you managers and new supervisors, all of the people that are trying to take up this space in this little box, since we're reduced to it from the coronavirus, we need to make sure that when we deliver our speeches, People in the audience, people who come onto the Zoom meeting, when they do listen to you, they know exactly where you stand. That will be your job. Once again, Brandon Hardison, President of Champion Strategies, with another public speaking workshop. And as always, in parting, you go out and you make it a champion day.